Hey.
Look how handsome. High five. How about
High five. Awesome.
This is your third time, man.
Yes, yes.
Does it get easier then? No?
No, it's always
stressful,
it's
right?
already.
Are you excited to get it over with?
Yeah, like finally finished. Yeah.
To be finished with all of your weddings.
I mean, to be honest. Good morning, everyone. 大家早，大家早，高早。And I'm gonna try this in Thai too. Just give me 1 second. Let me find it. สวัสดีครับยินดีต้อนรับครับขอบคุณที่มาวันนี้ครับ Okay, alright, cool. Good, okay, thank you. And I'm just glad that I could be here today to witness them make the best decision of their lives, which is choosing me as their officiant.
Hey Nut, I'm incredibly grateful that I went to Singapore 4 years ago because that's where I met you.
Hi, Freda. Well, here we are today, right? Has been an adventure because it's been with you, with your encouragement and love. I feel like I can conquer anything as long as I hold in your hand. Thank you for always being with me, by my side.
You're the most incredible teammate I could ever ask for. Above all, you are the love of my life. You have brought a lot of happiness into my life and made me feel loved in ways I never thought possible. I adore everything about you, your dance moves, singing, cooking, and even corny jokes. The way you care for me, accept all of me, and always have my back is something I really cherish.
Dear guests, under God, the couple have said the vows to one another. So Nut, you may now kiss the bride.
I want you to know, no matter how far we are from each other, how long we didn't see each other, and or even not keep in touch at all, our relationship is really forever. I'm so honored to be here, to be your man, and be in your lovely day.
She 一直就是很像一个很照顾我的姐妹，一直陪伴我、叮咛我，真心的为我好。这一份真心、善良、可爱、难能可贵。我也相信那看见了这一点，也很聪明的把握住了。
I'm thankful that God brought us together. Let's continue this adventure, growing older, wiser, and always guided by God. Together, you and I make the best team. I love you.
I vow to love you with all that I am and all that I have. Together, let's create a life overflowing with love, laughter, and the kind of joy that only we can understand. I love you, Freda.